Hello, dear researcher. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to code data on SPSS. So this is the variable view and this is the data view in which the answers are coded. And we need to go to the variable view. These are the questions in the questionnaire. These are the labels we can do here. Or we can just copy and paste the names to the labels so that we can come up with this list, but note that names do not contain spaces between characters, but here labels contain spaces between characters, so it's fine for them. And these labels are the ones that are going to be shown on the output when we analyze the data. So these values here consist of the items or the choices given to the respondents, like gender, female 1 and 2, male. So we can code this as follows. We can just, okay, let's just remove this. We can here type 2 and type male manually and click add and click OK. So this is how we can code this variable. The same for age, the same for everything. So here for the measure, it can be kept nominal, and this one for the type of the data, it is either numeric for quantitative data or string for qualitative data or open-ended questions. So don't worry about this. So when we want to code Likert scale items, we need to code just one item from one that corresponds to strongly disagree. It should be like this. One, the lower the coding, the lower the agreement, and five, strongly agree. But what we can do once we code one, we can copy and Control V and paste it again, and paste it again till we finish, and we can copy, select everything again, and we paste it till we come up with double, and then we select everything again and we paste it till we come up with triple, etc., till we finish all the items in the quickest way possible. Okay, so once we finish the coding of the data and everything, we can go to the data view and check whether the variables were coded properly. How can you check this? You can go to this icon and click on it. You can see, so it shows you the codes or the labels instead of the numbers or the codes. So once we finish, we go to analyze and descriptive stats frequencies, and we move the variable that we want to analyze and click OK, and it will come up with the frequencies of items. So how many female and how many male respondents we have. If we want to make this table, I can show you how to make this EPA style table. You can go to edit, you can go to edit, options, okay, and you go to pivot tables, and you look for APA times New Roman from this list. You select it and click OK and click apply, so that the output will be in APA table styles. Okay, so this is it. See you in another tutorial. Bye for now.